me I put the baddest. Me not care well step on the rhythm after that, no man. And me I go put the baddest song on the rhythm, gunman.
Yes! Blood clot them there! Sky God, you fuck them up! You fuck them up!
No rules. July the 25th. Thriller on the multi-purpose stadium.
You two fuck up. We are cancel your blood clot, you youth. It's over with for you now.
Alright, Yarn Jam TV family, welcome back to our next episode on the channel. Remember, if for your first time I check out Yarn Jam TV, we just ask if you subscribe, people. Please and thanks. We have beg that subscription there. Yeah, man. So in this episode, we have Capleton, the fireman, have burned down the whole of Paris, you know, people. Yeah, man, the general reach over there and I tear it off, you know. So we have to go check out his performance and see how he really deal with it, you know. Yeah, man, enough epic moments, people. Yeah, me tell you. Also, we have Blak Ryno say, oh, need to jump on the storybook Riddim, you know. Yeah, man, I say, oh, him have one of the wickedest tune for drop on it. We're gonna check out him Rvssian and hear him did and hear a piece of that song there as well, you know. Yeah, man, it sound like it connects, so we have to go check it out, people. Also, we have Cargo, the Sky God, a couple of new beats, you know, people. Yeah, man, you don't know, Cargo find some success in recent times. So him have to make that reflect, you know. Him have show you, say, yo, new beats on the ground. We'll check it out and see how him really did it as well, you know. Yeah, people. Also, we have Neako Fire far out and a promote for the Vendetta camp and I say, yo, new rules. But during the promotion, it look like he make a blunder. But we'll check it out and see what go on, cause we see the Vendetta fans them far out and I say, yo, they want to cancel him one at a time and they want to get rid of him. So we have to go check out the reason there from the Vendetta people them and see what go on there. So you see me I did. Yeah, man, but first up, we'll kick it off with Capleton, the fireman. Yeah, man, check out him showing at Paris, people.
Paris, man. No fire in Paris. So check in, man. So check in, you know? Do now, so check in, man. Yeah. Outfit, man.
Yeah, family, so that I keep it on the fireman, you know. Yeah, man, you see him all the stage show over Paris, then I did it wicked. Yeah, me tell you, I like, I enjoy that little performance there from the islands, so I see. Yeah, me tell you, that vibe the way I get tell my performer, consuming. You see the place lift up one night time. Yeah, man, anytime Capleton touch the stage, they can expect an epic performance, you know, people. Yeah, man, we need back them energy there right across the board from every artist. Yeah, me tell you, from elder artists go straight down to the young artists, and just a boss. To keep dance up on a level there, to keep it up on the standard there, you know. Cause that was standard by right naturally. Yeah, so don't worry, I go see what I going over the mellow vibes, cause it look like say them party are all the real vibes in Jamaica right now, you know. The whole place cock and everybody are bunks, you know, people. Check it out and see what I going.
Everybody was mental, everybody started to go.
So you see energy what me I talk about, you know, people, are some old school elephant dropping around the ground, you know. Yeah, me tell you, the whole crowd in our frenzy, everybody are moving, you know, see place, man. Yeah, me tell you, it was a good look. Me nah like that. Me love vibe there. Look like it connect the real way. Cause I see certain patrons online are comment and them say, yo, them enjoy themselves on a loan, big forward. Me see it I get one at a time. You see me? Say, yeah, man. So we have to highlight that and make you know see what I go on this the real way. So now we check out Blak Ryno, you know, people. He must say, yo, storybook Riddim, he need it from Rvssian right now. He must say, he have the wickedest tune for Japan Riddim there. After Cartel, they don't know that go. So we check out him reason and aim at it.
Guarantee me I put the baddest, me no care where step on the rhythm after that, no man. And me I go put the baddest song on the rhythm, gun man. I swear every girl just wait up after that. I swear, gun man. On the tagging the dog. Tagging dog, don't stop tagging. Yo, Rvssian, we need a rhythm, I know, gun man. Don't treat me like a bitch, like a dog shit. Need a beat of dog. Is it? Your pussy good and me are the evidence. Me cocky want to live in your residence. If you say you celibate. The pussy are delicate. Me want everywhere, girl. Yeah, my your picture. In your house, my your bed, your furniture. On the outdoors, the swoosh at your furniture. As a job, no. Hey, girl, you have the tightest pussy in the skin. Hey, girl, you carry the pussy. And every night me I fuck you to sleep. Cause when you tell me go deep, girl, you feel breathe. Hey, girl, you feel breathe. Hey, girl, you feel cock it up, back it up. Latino, from you give me the pussy, you can make clap it up. Every minute of the hour is not enough. Give me again, and make me. Cause when you win the pussy, you say me cock it up. Anytime me see you, girl, me it up. Hey, girl, your body up. And anyway, me see you, me have to grab it up. And hey, girl, you have it tightest in the skin. Hey, girl, you carry the pussy where we need. And every night me have to get to sleep. Cause when you tell me go deep, girl, you feel breathe. Hey, girl, you feel breathe. Hey, girl, it's evident. Your pussy good and me are the evidence. Me cocky want to live in your residence. If you say you celibate, the pussy are delicate. Me have your name everywhere, girl. Yeah, by your picture. In your house, by your bed, your furniture. On the outdoors, the poolside, no furniture. Hey, girl, it's evident. Your pussy good and me are the evidence. Me cocky want to live in your residence. If you say you celibate, the pussy are delicate. Bad thing, man. Just tag up Rvssian right now. I'm making notes right now. Gonna tag Rvssian right now. One Rhino. Now upon the beat. Storybook Riddim. We need Rhino upon it. Gonna tag up Rvssian right now. You see me? Gonna tag Rvssian and make him know say if him left me off of the Riddim, problem.
Yeah, people say that a Blak Ryno, you know. Yeah, man, the stinger himself. I know only thing about that song there, man. Preview that's up on the storybook Riddim. It sound like it connect or it not connect. Well, to me, still it sound like it can run for the Riddim still, you know. Yeah, man, it have a vibe, it have a bounce in it. It just want some little more lyrics and little more fix up and it can connect the real way, you see me? Yeah, man, because you don't know a Rhino and Rvssian that if that link they really connect back again, we can expect some hit song, you see me? Yeah, man, some big hit tune. Yeah, me tell you, because you don't know Rhino and Rvssian a collab and not normal people. You see me, my favorite Rhino and Rvssian upon the No Fear Riddim, because you don't know that go. Rvssian, why them stay so? You see me? Yeah, man, them tune there, me tell you, the vocal range for that song there, never normal people. So, me just rate that song there differently. It have a vibe, you see me? Yeah, man, but the other collab them connect still said way, you know, but that one there was just a standout one to me. And if this one I can go on to on the storybook Riddim, it'll be a good look for Rhino, you don't know. Cause he might get back a look in right now, you don't know, teacher link back with Rhino and he might get a couple farther stage show them and think, cause you don't see that I go. You see me? Same career lift up but the real way, you know, and this with just give him that strength, the real way where he need right now for cement make himself in a place in a music, you see me? Cause we real artists them active again, you know. Yeah, man, you don't see the teacher like the whole place, you see the whole globe Move out hot again in a place. Big guns, yeah, I tell you, active in a space. Yeah, man, so the whole of the top artists them right now, active and hot in a space. Yeah, I tell you people, so this would be a good look for Rhino. Yeah, man. So now I check out Sky God Cargo himself, you know, with a new beast, a new whip people. Check it out and see how it look.
How this? How this? How this? Blood clot them dead. Sky God, you fuck them up. You fuck them up.
Sky got cargo, you know, rotten. Yo, so can't mash up candle. I just do this one more time, you know, get to you, so one more. You know. One more time. Fresh as a fly, fuck to me next sum. And everybody fight, man, when me know some. Young zoom, no for them make bad mind take them over. Them no want me fi drive no Range Rover. Fresh as a fly, fuck to me next zone. Wanna fi call Panjaja. Why you can tell man about suffering? Why you can tell man about struggling? Fatherless son of you work for everything. Why no handout man work for everything? Why you can tell man about suffering? Why you can tell man about struggling?
So I cargo that the Sky God, you know, people, with a brand new Be My Nine scheme, you know, clean machine and roll through. Yeah, me tell you, red pan red I beat them. But yeah, man, it's a good look. When you don't know, as an artist, once things are flow for you, you want can enjoy the benefits of your success, you see me? You want can soak in and absorb all of that kind of hard work I put in, you see me? Them night in a studio, for forward and a sing pan record and a find good line and a make sure it connect and everything mix and master. I won't leap our work, so you want can enjoy your success and know say yeah, at this it really forward with, you know? Yeah, man, it's a good look, people. So now we are segue over to Neako Fire, you know. It's like him get a promo job for the New Rules event. I know if I that are him just a cloud chase car. I say New Rules with them promo team in the street. So I don't know if a cloud chase Neako Fire a cloud chase, but check out the clip, people.
Hear me, I say, people, this Saturday, July the 5th, you know, everybody feel there in a Trelawney, at the Trelawney Multipurpose Stadium. It's been a while since Alkaline performed in Jamaica. Last time we performed was 2022. And 2025, this Saturday, it's going to be epic at New Rules, Jamaica, Trelawney Multipurpose Stadium. Make sure you're there, you know, and they're there from early. You hear that? Vendetta fans, pull out. Do it for your culture. Do it for Jamaica. Do it for Dancehall. New Rules, July the 25th, Trelawney Multipurpose Stadium.
So as me say, like him get a promo job one night time, you know, people. We don't know how it go, but in there that promote the event still. But during the promo, him kind of make a big blunder the last half. He must say, yo, the event on the 25th of July, which is not so. It actually on the 5th of July. You see me, I did? Yeah, but like him never realized what going on during the video when I make for the promo. We don't know if him a cloud chase or him actually get, you know, a funds for the promo for them or what, but it never connect on the last part. That's why it should have been on the 5th of July, you see. But yeah, man, it kind of look funny still. I see a couple people did not react to it, like him never pick up still. But I saw it go, you know. But we see a Vendetta fan forward out and a blaze of fire say, yo, he want him get cancelled. So we hear the reason as to why I say that, people.
People no say I want next somebody I get cancelled or no. They never know. People know say I cancel Neako Fire now, because we just realize where my pre now. We just realize where my pre, because bad to bad, you know. Me give the Gaza their ratings when it's due. Though, if Vendetta people, no see me give the Gaza their ratings when it's due. So why Neako Fire no want give the Vendetta ratings when it's due? So he get cancelled now. So everybody in our comment section type cancel Neako Fire. We go and get rid of him. Cancel blood clot Neako Fire. We know you not play next song, nobody not go. You to fuck up. We are cancel your blood clot, youth. It's over with for you now. It's over with. People either want to type over with Neako Fire or cancel for him in our comment section. We are showing more event that I got to wreck. Don't fuck up. Oosh!
So the voice of the vendetta fan that, you know, people. They must say them want Neako Fire cancelled, you know. Yo, look away up on the G-Star. Gaza shun him. Now the vendetta upon him. Yo, I don't know what man do. He must go course correct and forward again and fix things, you know. Yeah, man, look away right now upon the dark car. A BA flames he might pick up out here. Yeah, me tell you people. But a sample man still, you don't know the man that speaking mine as to how him feel it go or how him want to see it go, you know. But as I saw it go, people, once you have a strong opinion, people now go really take, you know, kind to that more while I get some opposing views towards that, you see me? I just saw it thing go, you see it. Yeah, man. So now we check out a reason from Spragga Benz and see what he man did over there, you know. He must say he have an insightful meet up with a person a while ago. So he must share the news there. I check it out and see how it really forward, people.
Oh, Rastafari is great. I don't know if you can see. We out behind me. We up behind me, you can't see it. I'm going too far. Because I never really want to load him up still. But I there do more walkers and I can't see, and I better cross the street over the other side in a wheelchair. I'm here. So I look around. I see him. I hold up his hand, but him can't. This is him can't really, you know, talk so clear like him have a stroke or something. But him a push it. And him a say, Rasta man. And I say, yeah. And him a say, Ja. And I say, yeah man, more strength and life, Ja Rastafari King. So you see me, no matter what. People can't always pick out the Rasta man, because more people are walk and shout at the Rasta man, know that the Rasta man is love. So all who are wear locks, it's not just a style. When people see it another way, that people expect it to be a certain kind of way. People expect it to be understanding and compassionate. You see me? Don't disappoint the people then. Don't disappoint ya. That's the fly.
So you see reason when Spragga share the same of people, he must say, yo, all the sickly, well, we over foreign this up, can recognize that the Rasta man is a strong, loving and caring person, caring individual. So he must say, yo, Rasta man them nowadays for just keep the order there and just ensure them and maintain what people are say of them out there in the real world. You see me, I did, and it's a powerful reason that, you know, we just decide to share to the fans them and make them see what I go on, you know. Yeah man, it's a good look. So if you make it through to the end of the vlog, people, I just big you up and tell you thanks for watch the entire episode. Yeah, me tell you, yeah man, remember to subscribe to the channel, you know, people. We are trying to grow the channel to at least 1,000 subscribers. We want to get up there and then at least go to our next 2 or 3K and make it thing grow the real way, you see me? Yeah man, people want to see it happen. So respect again and stay tuned for our next episode from the channel. Mad.